Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can delete a video generation project in your account on Adobe Firefly. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let me close the video generation tool here because you can't remove your project from there. You'll need to navigate to your Firefly account. So let me click into the Firefly button in the top left, navigate to your library here on the left hand side by here clicking to your stuff. And then you may navigate through your files here or may go to the generation history and choose whether you'd like to remove a video or an image and select the video clip you would like to delete. I'm going to go with this one here for demonstration purposes. Select delete permanently, confirm by clicking into this button, and that's it. However guys, the deleted item won't be deleted permanently unless you navigate to the deleted folder and remove it from here by clicking into this button, or restore it if needed to move it back to your to the given library part here or section. So that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.